This one is for overhead shoulder strength. So you have a theraband under one knee. With the opposite hand, you're holding the theraband, you pull the arm up in line with the shoulder, in line with the head. Good. You're doing a few, coming up and out to the side just a little bit, as if you're creating this Y position. Do that again. Excellent. Now in an I, or bringing that arm right overhead. Good. Do that again. Good. On this next one, you come up and hold it there, and you're mindful of if they are doing a rib flare or dropping their belly button. You bend the elbow into as if you're creating this goalpost position or 90-90, and then you punch forward. Good. And then again, and press. Now you're trying to see if the shoulder kind of stays still, and then you press forward. Good, and then control back down.